Boy, you want to rev the engine a little bit? Taking a cam of this thing, dude.